Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to decorate a Valentine's heart-shaped cake. With me here I've got 2 by 8-inch cake layers that I baked in a heart-shaped cake tin. And in here I've got whipped cream that I whipped earlier. And I'm using an offset spatula to apply my cream. Now I'll put in some cream. I personally prefer using whipped cream because it's not as sweet as buttercream, but if you prefer buttercream you can go ahead and use buttercream as well. Right. So the second layer, I place it top side up, like upside down, so that the bottom is up and the inside is in. Now we crumb coat the cake. Now at this stage, we're almost done crumb coating our cake. We're going to let it chill in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes before we put our final coat of cream and decorate. So 15 minutes is up. Now our cake is chilled. My Valentine's cakes are usually red, but my client requested for a pink cake, so I'll add a bit of pink food color to my cream. Now we are putting our final coat. Make sure you work fast if you're using fresh cream. So the reason why we're using an offset spatula, it's because it's easier, it doesn't touch your cake when you're applying your cream. So you need to make sure you invest in one. Our cake is fully covered. We'll use our scraper, our metal scraper, to scrape off the cream. So with the gaps, what you do is you scrape and fill. Wherever there's a gap, you fill it up. Then we'll scrape again. Scrape and fill until the cake is smooth. Let's scrape the top of the cake. So you like sweep in. Now I'm satisfied with how my tart cake came out. It's time to decorate and use my piping tips there to make decorations. Now let's decorate our cake. Now in a piping bag, so I'm using a star tip. Start from the bottom. So you can use any decorations, any type of tip that you like to achieve your design. This is called an Egyptian theme. I'm just putting my final layer of piping. In this video, I only used one type of tip, the star tip. Feel free to use 2 types of tips if you like. Now this is how our cake came out. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our page for more videos. Thank you.